Tolan App Review, how to use Tolan App. So Tolan over here is an AI-powered virtual friend that looks like a colorful little alien. It chats, remembers, and grows in personality the longer you use it. Daily activities include conversation prompts, quizzes, recommendations, and creative talks like caring for a little planet as your friendship deepens. So basically, how to use it, of course, is the first thing you're gonna have to do is download it on your app store. It's available on iOS and soon in the Android. So install from there and you should be able to start up your Tolan. You can finally meet your Tolan once you open the app. You can select or generate your alien companion, which will greet you with a brief quiz to learn your own interests. And with that, there's basically just simple features since it's a pretty user-friendly app. You can chat about anything. There's gonna be activities like quizzes, story prompts, and of course, planet building. You can complete your tasks to earn energy, which grows in your alien world. You can unlock features with subscription as well if you'd like to. Full access, animation, full memory planet growth, which requires a Tolan Club subscription. You can also customize and expand by using your voice chat, share photos, customize surroundings, and see personalized updates in your planner like interface. And there's also feedback learning, so suggest new behaviors if you want them to change in a way that you would prefer. But anyways, those are the basics in Tolan. So hopefully this video can help you. And if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.